How to use credit on Wolt. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to use credit on Wolt. So let's go. So the first thing you need to do is to launch your Wolt app on your mobile phone. Open it on your mobile phone. Yeah, so once that's opened on your mobile phone, the home page will be displayed on your screen where you see a diagram that looks like a map, and this map is showing several places where what restaurant is located. So if you want to explore, you can just check out the map and you can spread it to see where it's located, if it's close to you, and that's it. So back to our question, how to use credit on Wolt app. Look at the lower part of your screen. You see icons like discovery icon, restaurant icon, stores icon, search icon, profile icon. Profile icon is at the lower part of the screen, the lower right corner of the screen. So all you need to do is to click on the profile icon, which is the fifth icon and the last icon on the row. Okay, so once you click on it, the profile page will be displayed on your screen, where you have several things you can do under your profile. So you can go ahead and check your name and see if you have any order. For me, I don't have any orders yet because I haven't ordered anything. So you can check your tokens, you can check your credits, you can check, you can invite your friends, you can enter promo code, you can check, you can order, you can check your order history, you can check several things on this under the profile icon. So you can just go through the list and see whichever one you want to go for. So back to the question, how to use credit on Wolt. You see here that after the round circle that has my name, the next word here is tokens. Then after tokens we have credits. So you click on credits since you want to learn how to use credit on Wolt app, and you wait for the page to load. So now we have credit and tokens. So credit is for you if you want to pay less. You can invite your friends to Wolt. When a friend makes their first order, you get a discount. So if you want to use credit, you make sure that you invite a friend here first. If you want to use credit on Wolt app, you first invite a friend so that you'll be able to use credit, so that you get a discount when your friend uses a code to order on Wolt app. So this is simply how to use credit on Wolt app. So now on this page we have the icon invite friends. So if you have a friend you want to invite, you can simply click on it and the page will be displayed on your screen. So to invite friend to get credit, so if you want to get credit, like I said earlier, you have to invite friends. So here the number one sentence here says share your code. Your friend will get, so you have to share your code to your friends so that they will get the invitation. Then the next one says earn credit. So when you share your code, when you invite your friends, you share your code to them, so they'll use your code to get access into the Wolt app. Once they order on Wolt app, you get credits. So is this credit that you would also use to make orders, to place orders on Wolt app. So this is simply how to use credit on Wolt app. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.